In this video, I will show you how to set custom wallpaper for your FitCloudPro Smartwatch. So if you want to be able to use your own photo as wallpaper or just any image or photo as wallpaper for your FitCloudPro Smartwatch, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. But first things first, you actually have to connect your FitCloudPro Smartwatch to your phone using the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. If you're not so sure which smartwatch app your smartwatch uses, you can actually scan the QR code on the paperwork that actually comes with the smartwatch. So if you actually scan the QR code, you should be able to find the smartwatch app that your smartwatch actually uses. In my case, it is the FitCloudPro. However, if your own is not the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, then just go ahead and drop the name of your own smartwatch app in the description of this video, and I will help you on how to go about changing the wallpaper or watch face of your own smartwatch. In my case, it is actually the FitCloudPro app. So I'll go over to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone, then download and install this FitCloudPro app into your phone. Once the app is downloaded and installed, before you go ahead to open up the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, just swipe down to this notification center on your phone and then make sure you turn on Bluetooth, and also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Once this is done, you want to go ahead and open up the app, and you will have to set the app up for the first time. So make sure you just click on the agree button over here, then go ahead and sign in or sign up if you're new to the app. So go ahead and click on the no account, create an account over here, then proceed to enter your email and then your password as well. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the register button over here, and then proceed to enter your nickname, then your date of birth, your sex, your height, and then of course your weight as well. Click on the next button over here, click on next, and now you want to give the app permission to search for available FitCloudPro smartwatches around so that it can actually connect with your FitCloudPro smartwatch. So click on the OK button, then just click on allow at the bottom over here. Now it is searching for nearby smartwatches, and from over here you can literally see the name of my FitCloudPro smartwatch. So I'll go ahead and select it just like so, and now wait for the pop-up that will come up, and then just click on the check button over here. And just like so, we have successfully connected the smartwatch to the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. Now what you want to do next is to just come over to the devices tab over here, click on the finished button, click on continue. If you get this pop-up, also make sure you pair both devices through Bluetooth again. So just make sure you click on the pair button over here and you're good to go. Now from the devices tab at the bottom over here, for you to be able to change the wallpaper or set a custom wallpaper for your FitCloudPro smartwatch, what you want to do is to come over to the dial library over here, and then you want to go ahead and select the first option just like so, then click on the plus icon at the bottom over here, click on select to select a picture from your gallery. Now just go ahead and find any picture or select any picture from over here. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this just like so, crop it anywhere I want, and then click on the OK button at the bottom. Now what you want to do next is to just click on the create dial, and then go ahead and click on the push over here. The FitCloudPro Smartwatch app will start to push our wallpaper into the FitCloudPro Smartwatch. Just go ahead and give it some few seconds, and just like so, we are now being able to receive the wallpaper into the FitCloudPro Smartwatch. And finally, we have now been able to set a custom wallpaper for our FitCloudPro smartwatch, and as you can see, it really looks beautiful just like so. You can also do other customization like changing the style, the position from over here if you want. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.